Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sell stocks in TD Ameritrade. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Now you need to answer a security question. Once you answered the security question, click on Continue. And once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says My Account. Then you will see several options from the drop-down list. Click on the option that says Positions. Now you will see a section for stocks. In this case, I am going to choose Verizon, which symbol is VZ. Click on the symbol of the company you want to sell. After that, you will see a red button that says Sell. Click on Sell. Now you have to enter the required information on the lower part of the screen. First, enter the quantity of the stock you will sell. Then make sure that the stock is correct. Then choose the order type by clicking the drop-down arrow, then you will see several options. In this example, I chose the order type, Market. Just click on the order type that you wish to select. After that, select the time in force, and then the tax lot ID method. In this example, I chose the first in first out method. Click on the tax lot ID method you wish to select. If done, click on the Review Order button at the lower right side of the screen. Now you will see the Review Order section at the lower part of the screen. If everything looks good, click on the Place Order button. And now we'll see a message that your market order was received. That's how you sell stocks in TD Ameritrade. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.